We are continuing lesson 13 with lines 195 to 197 here. The report of rumor, fama, has now come to the ears of Iarbas. So here we go. Haec passim dea foida virum diffundit in ora, protinus ad regem cursus de torquet iarbam. Incendit quanimum dictis at quageret iras. Subject is the dea foida, the foul goddess, the loathsome goddess. Diffundit, pours out or scatters. The word fundere, means to pour, and this is defundo, so pours out, disperses, or scatters. So one more time, the foul goddess scatters, haec. Okay, this could be these things, as a neuter, plural, accusative. It could also perhaps be haec verba. But since there wasn't a quote necessarily, probably a little better to just say these things. The foul goddess scatters these things. Passim, adverb, everywhere. Into the ora virum, into the mouths, that's accusative with in, into the mouths, and this is neuter plural from os oris. Virum, this is genitive, not accusative, of men, vir orum, so into the mouths of men. The foul goddess spreads these things everywhere into the mouths of men. Protinus, immediately or straight away. Detorquet, she turns, and the subject is still rumor. Remember, oh, the dea foida. Yeah, we had dea up here. The subject is still dea foida. She turns her cursus, her courses, or her paths, and it's plural. Cursus is a fourth declension, so it's cursus, and then genitive us. Not cursus, cursi, not second declension, but fourth. So in the fourth, us is a plural or singular in the nominative, and since this is accusative, it's plural in the accusative. Cursus. Check your fourth declension chart if you need to remind yourself of fourth declension. One more time. Straight away, she turns her paths to regem Iarban, to King Iarbas. These are both accusative forms here. I believe Iarban, with the N, that's a Greek accusative. Incendit quanimum dictis at quageret iras. And she incendit, she inflames, still rumor is a subject, his animum, his soul or mind, dictis. How does she inflame it? Dictis, with her words, ablative, plural. And atque, she agerat, she increases. These are both present tense, all present tenses here. She increases his iras, his angers. So we have some poetic uses of the plural, her paths and her angers, his angers here. So one more time. The foul goddess scatters everywhere these things, meaning the things we talked about earlier about Dido and Aeneas's passion, into the mouths of men. Straight away she turns her paths to King Iarbas and inflames his mind with words and increases his angers. And Iarbas is going to have some things to say here to Jupiter, or Hammon, as Jupiter's known in North Africa. And Aeneas is basically going to get ratted out now to the gods for delaying in Carthage and not doing his duty, going to Italy via rumor and then Iarbas. We'll pick that up in the next video. Wale!